on, and I've already done 7 days series with you guys. The link will be obviously in the description box. You can go and check that out. So tomorrow is the Diwali. Happy Diwali to all of you. And first time on my YouTube I was so much continuous. Like I posted 7 days, 7 videos, and it was little bit tough task, not little bit for me. It was like huge. But no worries. And today is the last 8th day of my video. I just guessed that I should not do any makeup tutorial or any skincare, hair care, body care. Everything is done, and today let's jump into the life hacks, room transformations, like something like that. And so without wasting any time, let's jump into the today.
See, who don't like to lighten up their houses on the Diwali? And I did the same. I removed my artificial plants first, and then I started adding the fairy lights. And the fairy lights is in the golden color because it suits my room, and moreover, it is on the more that classy side. Additionally, I want to mention that as you know that फेरी लाइट्स आर रन बाय द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. अगर फेरी लाइट्स में छोटी सी भी ब्रेकेज होगी तो इट कैन डेफिनेटली हार्म यू. सो बी वेरी अवेयर while applying the lights, and my lights are done. Very much satisfied with the results. So moving on to the next transformation, it is like the DIY candles. Started with adding some water in the glass jar, and I added the oil too, but that clip was missed. And then I added some rose oil, and it is only because of the fragrance. And for additional attractive light, I'm adding some of the glitters, and you can definitely add the glitters according to your taste. See how beautifully my candle is turning out. And for lighting up my candle, I'm adding some जो रुई होती है उसको हम बत्ती नहीं बनाते वो वाली. And then I lighten up with the matchstick. My candle is ready. So see how beautifully it is turned out. And moreover, like, it is on the affordable side. कुछ भी बहुत महंगा नहीं है इसमें. So the next transformation is about the Rangoli. As you know that in Rangoli some people are like genius and some are like noob, just like me, but adding some hacks and using some hacks I made a beautiful Rangoli. And this is the Rangoli we always made on the Diwali. Like ये बिल्कुल simple सी है, ठीक है. And we are already getting bored of these type of Rangolis. So in this year we will not do these type of rangolis. I will tell you some tricks and techniques of making the rangolis. So I took the big plate, and around that plate I make the dots with the rangoli colors. You can choose the colors according to your choice. And after that I took the small plate, done the same with the dots. आफ्टर पिकिंग द प्लेट आई टुक द सीवर एंड सीव द रंगोली कलर्स, बिकॉज रंगोली के थोड़े जो कलर्स होते हैं वो थोड़े मोटे होते हैं, सो इतना प्रिसाइजली वर्क नहीं करते. एंड आई टुक द ब्रश, लाइक इट इज़ अ सिंपल पेंटिंग ब्रश, और उसकी बैक साइड पे आई पुल्ड द दिस पर्पल कलर इन साइड, and I took the neon color, and with the help of the same brush I made the small swirls in between that, and same made in the center of the four circles. Here come the exciting part. I took the bangles and placed the colors just around that circles, and after removing that I sieved the black color inside that. I'm repeating the same steps but in the different manner, like the placement of the colors are different, and our beautiful rangoli is done. You can have the look perfect for the Diwali. And here comes the next Diwali transformation, and I took the green artificial plants. You can remember that just few minutes earlier I removed this from the different curtain. Now I'm placing in the different curtain, and this looks so pretty, so elegant in your room. If you have the white theme of the background, then this will green plants will look amazing. So what basically I did in this, I took the white fur and placed on my bed, as my bed is not so beautiful, it is like the simple sofa come bed. So I have to decorate, and I placed the big white fur on full of the bed, and this just changes my look of the bed. Now enjoy the full final transformation of my room.
So as I told you, there is no makeup tutorial, but there is a little bit makeup hack. I overthrew my videos and I just saw that I have not shared how you can make your nose slim. So I just thought that little bit makeup hack is genuine. So the four most important thing in contouring your nose is obviously the contour or the bronzer. I am taking this bronzer, like this shade of the bronzer. This is 3 to 4 shades darker than my skin tone. You have to just choose this. Don't, like, this is not matchable to my this is not matchable, so I will not take this. This is quite matchable. So जब भी हम contouring के लिए face पे ब्रश यूज करते हैं, आप उससे ही कंटूर कर सकते हो. लाइक आई यूज दिस ब्रश ऑफन, एंड व्हाट आई बेसिकली डू, आई जस्ट प्रेस दिस ब्रश एंड इट जस्ट, ये इतनी शेप में बन जाता है कि हमारे नोज के एजेस पर लग जाए. ऑलवेज रिमूव द एक्सेस एंड जस्ट प्रेस दिस. सो आपने इस इधर तक ही देखा होगा कि यार इधर हाइलाइटर लगा दो और आपका नोज स्लिम हो जाएगा. फ्रॉम आई एम यूजिंग दिस ट्रिक फ्रॉम वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. स्टिपल एंड जस्ट प्रेस दिस. यहाँ पर लाइक दिस इज योर नोस्ट्रिल्स एंड यहाँ पर बिल्कुल इसके सेंटर में मेक द लाइन. नॉट नाउ बट आफ्टर अप्लाइंग द हाइलाइटर यू विल see a huge difference in my nose. So my powder is well blended and now we have to take the sponge and the loose powder. हमने यह powder सिर्फ इधर रखना है, like inner side of the nose में, bridge of the nose में, बाहर नहीं रखना. So I will remove that and it will make sure that my nose is quite sharp. So wait for at least 1 minute. So जब तक like जौन सा भी ब्रॉन्जर का बाहर इफेक्ट आया होगा वो डिफ्यूज हो जाएगा. एंड टेक द हाइलाइटर ऑफ योर चॉइस एंड प्लेस ऑन द टिप ऑफ द नोज ओनली. एंड यहाँ जो हमने लाइन बनाई है हमने उसको नहीं बिल्कुल भी डिफ्यूज करना, उसके ऊपर. Now take the powder brush and remove the excess. So this was the ittu sa chota sa hack and I just want to share with you. So guys, this is for my today's video and I hope you all loved this video. The video was different, the ending should also be different. So I just hope that आपको कुछ भी अच्छा लगा होगा मेरे रूम में, मेरे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में. So for that, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it. Happy Diwali guys and please stay safe. Don't burn crackers, save the environment most importantly. So I will see you in my next videos. Until then, bye. Take care.